Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create Business Card Collector AI agent, an intelligent assistant that helps you collect and organize contact information from business cards automatically. Let's take a look at how it's built. The prompt defines the agent's purpose. That means whenever you interact with it, the agent knows its role to extract and save the details directly into your business card database. Next comes the variables. These are data fields the agent captures: name, email, phone number, position, company, and a comment. Each variable is text-based, allowing the agent to handle information from written messages or even images of business cards. In this case, there is no knowledge field, since the agent doesn't need reference data. It just focuses on collecting and saving information. Now, let's move to skills. The automation logic behind this agent. It uses a simple two-step flow. The first step, create entry, where all the variables are mapped into the business card database. The second step, send message, confirming that the information has been successfully saved. Let's look at example. You can send the agent a message with a picture of business card and missing details such as company name or comment, and it instantly saves the information, replying with a confirmation message. And that's the Business Card Collector AI agent, a simple but powerful way to automate contact management inside Bridge.